गुड आफ्टरनून, मेरा नाम है नीता और मैं सिडनी में कुछ सालों पहले हम यहाँ माइग्रेट हुए थे, सिडनी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में। आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ young girls and women would like to hear and learn from my experiences here in Sydney, right from early दिन कैसे थे हमारे, what was the planning यहाँ आने के लिए, and then how long did it really take for us to feel settled. So with having said that, welcome to the Coffee Closet, my new channel on YouTube. I also have a presence on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, so please subscribe, like and comment if there's anything else you want to hear. पर मैं हिंदी में कंटेंट ज़्यादा बनाना चाह रही हूँ, या दोनों जगह पे बनाना चाह रही हूँ, इंग्लिश में भी और हिंदी में भी। I think good topic बात करना चाह रही हूँ, which is around managing family as well as kids and a career, financial independence, and the most important topic for me is women in leadership. मैं 5 बहन में से सबसे यंगेस्ट हूँ और मेरे बाद मेरा भाई है, तो हम टोटल 6 siblings हैं। And later on towards the end of my or maybe more episodes आएंगे, उसमें मैं शेयर करूँगी मेरा upbringing कैसा रहा, मेरा चाइल्डहुड कैसा रहा, and how that has shaped me to be where I am today and molded me into the person that I am today. Why am I ambitious and very clear in terms of what I want in life? Because I think childhood upbringing का बहुत बड़ा impact होता है. So please keep watching, and कुछ और topic हो तो बताइएगा। मैं हिंदी बहुत अच्छे से बोलती हूँ, समझती हूँ, लिखना इतना अच्छा हूँ, तो मेरी गुजराती डिपेंड्स कि कैसी है, पर समटाइम्स बिकॉज मैं अभी ऑफिस में हूँ, नॉट ईजी टू स्विच फ्रॉम एक से दूसरी लैंग्वेज, बट आई लाइक टू मेक कंटेंट इन हिंदी, जिससे कि जो हमारे भारत देश की यंग लड़कियाँ हैं जो बाहर कहीं रह रही हैं या हाउस वाइफ्स हैं, वो रिलेट कर पाए मेरे कंटेंट से और समझ पाए, इसलिए। सो टुडेज़ टॉपिक इन कॉफ़ी एंड क्लोजेट, I want to talk about juggling motherhood and career and ambition. And in my personal life, I am not somebody who is a very big fan of Bollywood stars, etc. I like them, I like the work. I'm a true Indian girl at heart and love mere Bollywood gaane and music, but not a die-hard fan. But kuch times then ye controversial topic does not seem to die down, and it just raises so many concerns for me in my head. दीपिका पादुकोण, न्यू मम, आई थिंक 1 साल 1.5 साल की बच्ची है उनकी, बहुत क्यूट सी, एंड देयर इज़ दिस कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है कि वो किसी मूवी का पार्ट थी, एंड देन शी आस्क्ड एज अ मम दैट आई वुड लाइक टू डू 8-hour shift, एंड देन शी ईदर dropped out of the movie or she was forced out of it, one or the other, but they parted ways. Now please understand, in professional life happens all the time. हर partnership solid ongoing रहेगी ज़रूरी नहीं है, but to end on a partnership just because you prioritized motherhood over your work, you are being shamed, you're being called unprofessional, you're being called difficult to work with. There are posts on social media. This woman has built her career over last 20+ years. She came from no background in this industry. And how dare few men who have this छोटा सा mindset and just couldn't handle कि किसी एक लड़की ने अपना motherhood prioritize किया है, and you're shaming her over social media and calling her unprofessional. Some men have also quoted saying कि motherhood plan किया जा सकता है. Yes, motherhood plan किया जा सकता है, but बच्चों की sickness cannot be planned. You are a working mom. आज आपका बच्चा perfectly healthy है, स्कूल गया है, कल बीमार हो गया तो क्या करोगे? You don't want to leave your child. So if she's saying she wants to work 8 hours in a day and that's what her shifts are, what is wrong with that? I just don't understand. Why can't you get your stuff together? Why don't you plan better as a man who are the big heads of these production houses or directors of these? So not that I have been a super fan of, I like Shah Rukh Khan, but kudos to that guy. What a guy. I wish the world had more Shah Rukh Khan and followed on his footsteps. He has accepted the way it is, and all I just want to teach all of you young girls, do not compromise, do not feel guilty, do not shrink yourself to fit into a mold. The world will find a platform for you where you will fit in. मुझे हिंदी में इतना बोलना नहीं आएगा जो मैं कहना चाह रही हूँ, पर मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि अपने आप को रोल for your child, उनकी तो एक ही माँ है. That always has to be your priority. उनको 4 लोग और मिल जाएंगे, आपके बच्चे को एक ही माँ रहेगी, नहीं मिलेगा. जो fierceness और जो nurturing आप दोगे वो कोई और नहीं देगा. So all of us know how to, that's inherent in us. Do not second guess yourself, do not feel guilty about it. अगर आपको कुछ सालों काम नहीं करना है, so be it. If अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपका बच्चा समझ रहा है, so be it. None of it is wrong, it is your choice. And please remember, it is always has to be your choice. Do not do it because you feel pressured by the society, etc. So I just want to leave you with कि लोगों का काम है कहना. इतने A-listed celebrities जो हैं, जो इतने सालों से काम कर रहे हैं, उनको भी लोगों ने नहीं बख्शा और बोल रहे हैं कि she's being too difficult. Don't listen, don't feel guilty. Keep doing what you're doing and keep taking up the space and the room. With that, I would leave you guys. I've been किए जा रही हूँ 7-8 minutes, so I'm sorry for that. Please come on a journey with me. I would message करिए आप और क्या सुनना चाहते हैं, क्या जानना चाहते हैं और कोई और टॉपिक के बारे में सुनना चाहते हैं. I will continue to make more videos around it. I'm also new, so a little bit underconfident, but I will get there. So thank you so much for watching this channel. Please like, comment and subscribe and have a nice day. Thank you.